What up, doe? This is a haul from Aldi and Costco. And I thought it was a lot. It was a lot when I had to carry it in the house. But it's not very much. It's just what I'm going to use throughout the week. This will probably last me a couple of weeks, possibly. Just as a single woman trying to get her healthy lifestyle back in order. This is some things that I'm going to be juicing with, things I'm going to be making smoothies with. I have to have my coffee and just some like breakfast items in between, maybe before pre-workout or after workout snack. But I'm just gonna get right into this haul. I'm gonna move this stuff back. I might pick my camera up and move around. So I'll start over here. I have the Provolone Deli sliced cheese. I keep saying I'm going to stay away from dairy, but slowly but surely I'll get back to it. I like to eat them with these grapes. These say raisin rogues. I haven't tried them, but we'll try those out. I have the Southwest chopped salad mix. This is my first time getting this protein bread. I got it. It says plant-based protein. Um, it's whole wheat bread, so I just got it to try it. Say 10 grams of protein. I'm going to use that with making me some avocado toast with this organic holy guacamole that I got from Costco. Um, that's my version of avocado toast. And then I got a couple of cucumbers from Aldi. I'm going to move back here and I got 2 Chiquita pineapples. I got, I picked up a bag of carrots and some salsa. Back here is 2 boxes of mini brownies. I bought those for my grandbabies. They asked for brownies. I got a bag of lemons, a bag of Granny Smith apples, and a bag of these raspberries. It's my first time getting these raspberry oranges. I'm going to mix the oranges and the carrots and green apple, lemon in my carrot apple juice. Also from Aldi, I got a whole salmon. I just cut those in slices. I have picked up some cashews and I put these in my water. These are the water enhancers. So I got 2 of the strawberry watermelon. Now I have been watching other YouTubers and they were drinking the cold coffee. If you watched, I think it was a couple previous videos ago, I purchased some cold coffee from Starbucks. I wanted to try it. And then I purchased some from Target and I liked it. And now I'm hooked. So y'all got me hooked on this cold brew coffee. This was at Aldi. So this is the unsweetened medium roast cold brew, the Califia Farms. So I got that, and then this caramel macchiato. I am hooked on this caramel macchiato creamer. And then to make it a little fancy, not all the time I use this, but the coconut whipped topping is made with coconut cream. So when I want to make my cold brew coffee look a little fancy, I'll use that. And I think that's it from Aldi. We'll go over here to Kirkland. Again, I bought that guacamole from Kirkland. It's how many ounces? 3 15-ounce bowls. So I'll use that up. And I got this vegetable blend. This was only $6 and something at Costco. Usually there's another brand I get, and that's $8 and something. And it has like the green beans in there, but I decided to get this one just a little cheaper, that's all. And normally I would buy my fruit and cut it up and freeze it myself, but I'm being a little lazy, and to save time, I bought these organic tropical super greens smoothie blend. It has pineapple, mango, peach, kale, spinach and avocado. So it's 6 8-ounce pouches in there. I'll try that. I did look at the sugar content. Woo woo, 26 grams, but it doesn't have this. That's all sugar from the fruit because this does not have any added sugar. Yep, zero added sugar, so that's cool. That's one of the reasons why I don't normally buy already frozen packaged fruit because of the sugar content, but this has no zero added sugar. That's all the sugar from the fruit, which is good. Sugar, still sugar, but this one has blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, kale, spinach, and bananas. So it's 6 8-ounce pouches in here also. What is that one? 24 grams and zero added sugar. So that's pretty cool. All organic fruit. That's cool. And then I just brought some brown eggs, 24 eggs. I also bought stevia. I buy stevia from Aldi to put in my coffee. But yeah, that was my little haul from um, Aldi and Costco. I hadn't been to Costco. Oh no, wait. Forgot the most important part. I love hot coffee, y'all. Now I'm just getting hooked on this cold coffee. I drink that as a little treat every now and then. But on a daily, on a regular, I drink my coffee. And this is Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee. If you have not tried this Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee, you should. It is so smooth and so light. It's medium roast. It is whole bean. I grind my coffee beans up. But I love, love, love this coffee. I hadn't been to Costco in a minute. And they used to cost $11.99. They have raised the price to $13.48. Everything, the cost of food, the cost of living, period, everywhere has skyrocketed. And so, woo, but I still will drink it. $13.48. So, almost $2 increase. But hey, if you want the stuff, you have to pay for what they're asking you to pay. Whatever. It is what it is. But yeah, that's my little haul from Aldi and Costco. Like I said, I thought it was a lot, but carrying in here, it was pretty big. I used my reusable Aldi bags, the freezer bags, and then I had one little um, other plain Aldi reusable bag. And so I had 3 bags with my purse. So yeah, me carrying this stuff in felt like it was a lot. But yeah, so if you're new here, welcome. Welcome to the Bougie Bohemian Life. Thank you for clicking on this video. Stay a while. Hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. If you've been here before, welcome back. What up, though? I thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.